Hey guys! Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make this Cinnamaroll using clay. The materials needed are a pack of white clay and any sort of coloring. Here I'm just using some poster colors. If you're wondering what I use my poster colors for, basically I use them for mixing different colored clay. If you want to have a more in-depth video on how do I do that, go click on the cards at the right hand corner. I'll also be leaving a link to that video in the description box. Now without further ado, let's get started! Making clay is creative. Be patient and you'll succeed. Lastly, remember to turn on the post notification bell and subscribe to our channel for more of these clay tutorials. I'll see you next time. Goodbye!